Welcome to the Spellbinders June 2026 3D Embossing Folder of the Month Club called Island Style. This 3D embossing folder features tiki statues, palm trees, and whimsical repeating patterns. The 3D aspect of this folder means all of the details will appear extremely dimensional. The large size of the folder gives you the option of creating 5x7, slimline, A2, and other sized cards. Let's use this 3D embossing folder to create a card. Mist a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of teal topaz cardstock with the Spellbinders Mighty Mister. Let the water soak into and soften up the cardstock. Then place the cardstock into the 3D embossing folder. Create the 3D embossing sandwich starting with platform base A. Add the 3D embossing folder with the cardstock on top of the base. Then add the D adapter plate and run through the Platinum 6 machine. The deep impression and high dimension that this folder creates gives tons of detail to the cardstock. Use a Spellbinders blending brush and the Hero Arts Blue Hawaii Reactive Ink to ink blend some blue ink on the bottom half of the panel to create a gradient of color. Since the design is so raised, the ink mainly stays on those parts of the image. Next, use Spellbinders Sparkle Splatter to add some shine to this panel. Use the brush in the splatter bottle and tap on the cap to add iridescent splatters to your design. Shake up the Spellbinders Blueberry Pop Splatter effects, uncap the bottle, and use the paintbrush cap in the same way to add some blue splatters to the card too. Flip the panel over and add Spellbinders Tape Runner to the back of the panel and then adhere it down to an A2 piece of Oceanside cardstock, which is adhered to a top-folding A2 card base. Add foam squares to the back of a stamped, embossed, and die-cut sentiment from this month's Clear Stamp and Die of the Month Club. Also, adhere the adorable turtle from this month's Small Die of the Month Club. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!